sharing a Google file? Know what the various Google sharing settings mean. Let's start with the most secure way to share a file. Here we have a Google Doc open. In the top right corner, click the blue Share button. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to add contacts you'd like to share the file with. In this example, we've entered 2 contacts. Now you've shared with specific recipients. Yay! Great job taking the time to share securely and specifically. When you need a link to a document, you might think clicking Get Shareable Link in the Share dialog box is a good idea. But you might get more than you bargained for. When you click, the file automatically switches to a less secure setting. Now, anyone at Ryerson with the link can view and share the file without your knowledge. If you didn't intend to share your document widely, you can select Off. Only specific people can access. Yay! So secure! Know how to share documents safely and intentionally. Learn more savvy tips at ryerson.ca/cybersecurity.